There you go, look.
It's certainly better. That's it.
Now it's climbing now.
That's much nose down there. You know, it's up on the step, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit leery, it's a small plane.
Certainly more efficient that way around the old prop.
Yeah, I've been there, done that. Well, that's the only thing when you build your own stuff, you learn all that.